Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in today's class, that is English class of class 10th. So students, in the previous video we have started with our writing portion and we have started with the topic of letter writing. And yes, in the previous video we have discussed the entire structure of a letter, that how we have to write one letter, what are the different parts in one of the structure of a letter. So I am sure the structure of a letter is very much clear to you all, and now in this video we will see some examples of letter, that how can we write, how can we make the sentence, that we will discuss here. So now let's start our today's video, that is letter writing. So now we will see some of the examples. So let's discuss. Let's see the first one that we are having here. So in this letter we have to advise our sister to study well. Okay, so it's a very important point, and in our exam maybe in a letter or in an email also we can have this topic when we have to write to our sister or brother why to study well, we have to advise them. Okay, so let's see the question. First of all, what details we are given to. You are Rahul or Rita. So yes, in our exam we will find one letter writing question in this way only. Okay, so we are given with our name, that we have to imagine that we are Rahul or our name is Rita. Then your younger sister's exams are round the corner. It means जो उसके exams है वो examination date जो है वो आने ही वाली है. Lately she has been wasting a lot of time in watching IPL matches on TV, but you got to know that your sister, she has been wasting a lot of time. Why? Because she is very much interested in the IPL matches. Okay, using the hints given below along with your own ideas, write a letter to her in about 100 to 150 words advising her to study hard and not get distracted. So now what is our question? We have to use some hints that are given to us. So yes, in your exams you can find some hints, and maybe you are not given to any hints with. Okay, so आपको hints मिल भी सकते हैं और maybe आपको hints ना दिए गए हो. So if hints are there, so yes, we have to use those hints, right? So here we are having this thing that we have to use the hints that we are given to, and then we have to use our own ideas also. Okay, so अगर हमें hint दिए गए हैं, so it doesn't mean कि हमें सिर्फ वही hints as it is copy करने हैं. No, we have to use our own ideas. We have to add our own ideas also, and then we have to write one letter to her, to our sister, and then in that letter we have to advise her what to study hard and not to waste time, not to get distracted. So this is the main point that we have to write in our letter. We have to advise her. Okay, and for that we have some hints here. So let's read all the hints that we are having here. Study well, make a revision schedule, written revision very important, admission depends upon results, cricket season will come again, record IPL matches. So if we are having the hints, then this topic, that is letter writing, it really becomes very easy, because we are having all the clues, we are having all the hints, so we can say we are having all the ideas that we can use in our letter. Okay, so yes, we have to cover all these points, and then we have to write one letter to our sister. So now let's see how can we write. So students, I am sure that you all are able to recall that in the previous video we have discussed the body, or we can say the structure of a letter. So first of all we have to start the letter with the address of the writer, the address of the sender, or we can say the address of the person who is writing the letter. So first of all that address is here. So let's see, the address is 23 Indiranagar, Lucknow, 3rd March 2021. So here you all can observe that in the initial two lines we are having the address, and after that in the next line we are having the date. Okay, so in this manner we can use the address and date here. And yes, we can observe one more thing, that after address we are having no punctuation mark here, and same thing after date we are having no punctuation mark. So we have to start with the address, and then in the next line we have to write the date. Clear? Now we are starting the letter. So first of all, we are addressing our sister. So we are writing my dear Kavita. The name of the sister is not given to us, so we can imagine any name, we can write any name here, and she is our sister, so we are addressing her as my dear sister. Okay, and now from here the body of the letter, it actually starts from here, and this is the most important part. But yes students, you will get the marks according to the structure also. You have to write the address properly, you have to write the date properly, the address you should be in a proper manner, the way you are addressing the person to whom you are writing the letter, so that should be in a proper manner. So yes, you have to focus on all the minute details here. And now we are starting the letter. So let's see how can we write. It is always a pleasure to have a chance of writing to you. So when we are writing a letter, so in the first line we can say that we have to use one line, one suitable line that we can use, okay, in the starting of our letter. So here we are writing that it is always a pleasure to have a chance of writing you. Next, yet I did not want to disturb you as your examination are drawing near. I wish you to study hard. So now next we are coming to the point. So now we have started talking about the point. जिस point पे हमें letter लिखना है. So now we are talking about the examination. The examination जो कि actual में आने ही वाली है. Examination जो कि बिल्कुल near है. However, I have come to know that you are wasting a lot of time in watching IPL matches on TV. So yes, now we are discussing the thing that what is the thing that we want to advise her. So we are writing that I've come to know this thing that you are actually wasting a lot of time. Why? Because you are watching IPL matches on TV. I will advise you not to do so. So yes, we have to write this letter to advise our sister. So we are writing that thing that I will advise you not to do so. These are the days which can make your career. And now we have to add our idea also. We have to add our things also, because we have to advise her, we have to convince her for this thing that whatever she is doing, that is absolutely wrong, because this is the time when she has to focus on her studies. Okay, so we have to convince her, we have to make her realize her mistake. So that we are writing here, and we are saying that these are the days which can make your career, or we can write that these are very important days, or this is very important time for you. Therefore make a revision schedule and follow it. Okay, so now we are given all the tips, now we are giving all the advice, and we are saying that you can make a revision schedule and then you can follow that schedule. Do not revise just by reading. Writing revision is very important. Next advice that we are giving here is that do not revise only by reading, but you have to write also, because writing revision, that is very much important. Write answer to all the important questions as many times as possible. Your admission to the next will depend on the marks you get in this class. So now we are trying to convince her. So we are giving all the important points related to this thing. So we are saying that your admission to the next class, it will depend absolutely on the marks that you will get in this class. Only if you get good marks, you will be able to opt for the subjects of your choice. Dear sister, cricket season will come again, but not your examination. Also, time waits for none. So after giving all the tips, all the ideas that how can she revise for her exam, how can she well prepared for her examinations, finally we are saying that if you are very much interested in cricket, so we are saying that cricket season, yes, it will come again, but your examination, it won't come again. And yes, time is very much important, and time, it waits for none. Okay, so now we have completed all the things, we have covered all the points that we wanted to say, and now finally we are writing this line and we are saying that we are waiting for your visit after your examination, and finally your affectionate brother or sister, and we can write the name if we are writing brother. So obviously we have to write a name of boy, and we can write sister also, and here we can write the girl name also. Okay, so in this manner we have have to write one letter. So one more time I am summarizing all the important points. First of all, we have to read the question in a very proper manner, because first of all we have to understand that what are the things that we have to write in the letter. Second, the format, the structure of the letter, it is very much important. So yes, we have to learn the structure, we have to practice the structure for so many times. And how can we write the structure? First of all, we have to write the address, then the date, then we have to address the person, and then the body. So in this manner we have to write a proper structure, we have to follow the proper structure. Okay, and yes, we have to end the letter also in a proper manner like this. Okay, so now we will see one more example, we will see one more letter. So let's see now the next second letter what we have to write. Now this time we have to write to our friend. Why? We have to discuss, we have to share our CCE experience. So let's read the question that is given to us. You are Priya, living in Chennai. So now we have to imagine this thing that our name is Priya and we are living in Chennai. You have just completed your 9th grade under the revamped system of CBSE. So जो CBSE का जो new system है उसके according you have completed your 9th grade. So now we have to write one letter in about 100 or 150 words to your friend, the friend who is living in Kolkata, and in the letter you have to tell about your experience, right? And now this time also we have some clues, we have some hints that we can use to write this letter. So yes students, in your exam also you can have some hints, and yes ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपको कुछ hints ना दिए गए हो. So if you are having the hints, then you have to use, you have to cover all the hints. And yes, अगर hints नहीं है then you have to make the entire body of the letter by yourself. Okay, so now in this letter also we are having some clues, we are having some hints. So let's see. Initially doubtful, less stress and tension, but need to study regularly. Participation in variety of activities gives confidence. Attendance has improved. Classes have become more interactive, fun-filled and enjoyable. No need to burn the midnight oil during the exam days. No one-time paper pen exam to decide our fate. Assessment in wide parameters gives scope to build up on one's strength. Grades have cut down narrow competition. So many points, so many clues we are having here. We can use all these clues to write our letter. So if we are having the clues, then yes, letter writing it actually becomes very easy. So now I am sure that question जो है आपको समझ में आ गया है. The point that why we have to write the letter, the point that we have to share in this letter, that is clear to you all, and we are having so many hints also. So now let's start our letter. So first of all, I am sure that you all know what we have to write. Yes, we have to write the address of the sender, the address of the person who is writing the letter. So in the question we are given this thing that our name is Priya and we are living in Chennai. So we have to use that city only, right? So we are writing the address 198 MG Ramchandran Road, Chennai. Okay, next we are writing the date in this format, March 4, 2021. And now we are starting the letter. We have to write this letter to our friend. So we are writing, my dear Mamta. The name of the friend is not given to us, so we can use any name. We can write any name here. Okay, and now we are starting the actual body of the letter. So let's see how can we start. I hope everything is fine at your end. I am very glad to write this letter about the new system of CBSE in class 9. So first of all, we are starting our letter with this line that I hope everything is fine at your end, and then we are coming to the point. We are coming on the idea that why we are writing this letter. So we are saying, we are talking about that thing, and we are saying that I am very glad. Why? Because the new new system of the CBSE in class 9 and I have experienced that system. We all have really enjoyed doing this system. So first of all, we are writing this thing that it was a very good system and actually we enjoyed this thing. Why we enjoyed this thing, that we will describe later. But first of all, we are writing this thing that this is a very good system and we enjoyed this. The only regret is that we didn't have it earlier. I write here about our experiences about it, and now we are starting to write our experiences, that why we enjoyed this system and what was the special points that are in this system. Initially, we were very doubtful and afraid about the whole CBSE new syllabus. So now, according to the points, according to the clues that are given to us, we are writing this thing that initially we all were very much doubtful. We all were very much, terrified because of this new system. But as we started going ahead with it, we found it really interesting and tension free. So yes, in the initial phase when this system was introduced to us, we all were very much terrified, we all were very much doubtful, but later on, gradually, slowly, when we started with this system, finally we realized that this system was very much interesting and this system was very much tension free. It need only to study regularly and with full participation in class level activities. And now we have to explain this thing, that why this system was very much interesting. So now we are given the reasons, we are explaining all the reasons, and we are saying that in this system we were involved in so many class level activities. What a nice thing to enact different characters of the fiction, and because of this system we have to enact all the characters that are there in the fiction. Okay, तो जितने भी fictions होते हैं, जितने भी stories होती हैं, तो stories में से जो characters होते हैं, so all the students they had to perform according to those characters. I enjoyed acting as a Geralt in the class. Geralt, another, it's the name of one of the character. So now we are writing that when we played the role of the Geralt, so yes, we enjoyed a lot. Due to the interest creating aspects of this system, class attendance improved. So yes, class attendance, this was the point, this was the hint that was given to us. So now we are making one sentence including that point, and we are saying that because of the interest that was in the class, because of this system, finally the class attendance, it also improved. Why? Because all the students, they were very much interested to join the class, to go to the school. So because of this thing, that now the classes, they were very much interested, they were fun filled, the class attendance, it also improved, right? Classes became more fun filled and enjoyable, and because of all these activities, now the classes, they were more fun filled, they were more enjoyable. Now we do not need to burn the midnight oil during examination days. Again we are covering all the points. So we are writing that now we do not need to burn the midnight oil during examination days. So what it means? It means कि अब हमें एग्जाम जब आ रहा है तो उस टाइम हमें पूरी रात हमें पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Why? Because throughout the year हम सारा सिलेबस जो वो कवर कर लेते हैं. So एग्जाम टाइम पे जो एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर आता है, now that pressure is not there. No tension, no sleepless nights. So because of the absence of that pressure, now we are having no tension and we are not having any sleepless nights. Now paper and pen examinations do not decide our fate, and now because of this new system, the paper and pen examination, that will not decide our fate, that will not decide our future. We are assessed throughout the year through our participation, attention and interaction in various activities. So after the end of the year, only one exam will not decide our future, but throughout the year, how the students, they are participating, how much they are paying attention in the class and how much they are interacting in the different activities. These are the aspects, now they are very much important. Okay, so अब सिर्फ एक एग्जाम के रिजल्ट के बेस पे स्टूडेंट्स को एसेस नहीं किया जाएगा, but because of all these points, because of the participation, attention and interaction that he is having, he will be judged, he will be assessed. Truly, this system enables us to express and show our hidden talent. So now we have described all the positive points that are there in this system. So finally we are saying that because of this system, now yes, we are able to show our hidden talents. I am sure you will also enjoy the CBSE new system fully. And yes, finally we are writing this thing and we are saying that we have enjoyed and why we have described in a fully detailed manner. And finally we are saying that I am sure that you will also enjoy this system fully, because there are so many positive things, there are so many good things that are associated with this new CBSE system. And yes, finally we are having this thing, we are writing yours sincerely Priya. The name was given to us in the question, so we have to use the same name. If the name is not given, then we can write any name, but yes, if the name is given in the question, then we have to use that name also, and in this proper manner we have to complete our letter. Okay, so students, letter writing, it's a very important topic and it's a very easy topic. You just have to practice that how you have to write one letter. You have to be very much careful regarding the structure of the letter, and you can make your sentence according to all the rules that are related with grammar. Just read all the tenses very carefully, just to be aware regarding all the rules of the grammar, and then make your own sentence, and then in this way you will be able to write a perfect letter, and yes, you will be able to score good marks in this point, that is letter writing. Okay, so students, in the next video we will see some more examples of the letter, we will read some more letters. So just be with me and see you in the next video. Thank you.